Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your user password on Mac OS. This will work on both iMacs and Macbooks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo button at the top left of the screen, and then open System Preferences. From System Preferences, open Users and Groups. Select the user you want to edit from the left sidebar. Now click Change Password. Enter your old password followed by your new password, and then confirm it again. Click the Change Password button to confirm. Your Mac user password has now been changed, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.